This is the brief on learning English from scratch. So, this roadmap is a practical, step-by-step guide designed to take that overwhelming idea of learning a language from zero and turn it into a totally manageable process. You absolutely don't need endless hours to get started. You just need the right strategy. First, set your goal and keep it bite-sized. Define your why, like travel, work, or studying abroad, just to stay motivated. And the golden rule here? Just 15 minutes a day. Think of it kind of like a daily vitamin. Taking a little bit every single day is way more effective for your foundation than trying to cram a month's worth of learning into one exhausting weekend boot camp. Right, so what do you actually do with those 15 minutes? Second, you need to focus on output from day one. Now, you're probably thinking, but wait, I don't know enough words to actually speak yet. I totally get it. But speaking immediately isn't about being perfectly correct. It's actually the specific mechanism you use to overcome your fear and build fluency so much faster. So go ahead, write simple sentences like, I live in, verbalize basic phrases, or even record yourself and listen back. Finally, to ensure this daily output never feels like a chore, prioritize joyful immersion and tech. You might be wondering, how do you actually immerse yourself if you don't live in an English-speaking country? Well, you leverage accessible digital tools. Read easy, fun materials, watch short, subtitled videos, and use things like flashcard apps or online tutoring platforms to surround yourself with an online community.